The GMC MultiPro Tailgate as well as the Chevy Multi-Flex Tailgate. Both of these multifunction tailgates offer an optional exterior audio system. It's right here. It is made by Kicker. And one of the most common questions that we have received at gmauthority.com is how to pair this speaker to a Bluetooth device, like a smartphone, like a laptop, like a tablet, etc. So let's take a look at exactly how to do that right now.
Motronics.
First and foremost, what you first need to do is open up the full width step. So technically you'll lower the MultiPro or Multi-Flex tailgate from this position, and then you'll open it up like so. This automatically turns on the outside speaker system. You will know that it's turned on because this control panel is lit up. If you take a look here, it is lit up right there. It kind of has a blue tinge to it, like so. So with this enabled, the next step is simply to toggle the speaker to Bluetooth. And the way you would do that is hit the power button, and it will go from Bluetooth right now to aux. You can kind of see that that's backlit, then to USB, and then back to Bluetooth. So just clicking and hitting the power button right there toggles through these three input modes. And then from there, to put the system into pairing mode, what you got to do is press and hold the play and pause button. What that will do is it will essentially make this speaker discoverable, and you'll know that it's in pairing mode or in discoverable mode when it begins to flash. There it is. There's the Bluetooth, and it is flashing right there. The Bluetooth indicator is flashing, indicating that it is discoverable. From there, you simply go to your device, whether it's an iPhone or an Android device, tablet, computer, etc. You go to the Bluetooth menu, select the Kicker system, and from there on forward, you just pair it, and the process is very seamless. As a reminder, this speaker system, it is a 100-watt speaker system. It has 4 coaxial drivers and a built-in amplifier. And this entire system, it is also weatherproof. You can also hook up a device to this system using the USB input. It is a USB-A type of an input, as well as a 3.5 millimeter, otherwise known as an auxiliary input as well. One thing to note is that this system runs independently from the infotainment system in the truck. So if you have your device paired to the truck's infotainment system, whether it's via Apple CarPlay or Android Auto or some other form of just straight up Bluetooth pairing, that does not mean that your device is automatically paired to this. This is a separate system. It is completely independent from the infotainment system in the truck itself. One last thing I should note about the Kicker speaker system is that it draws power from the truck's primary battery. It does not have a power source of its own that needs to be recharged. There's no batteries to swap, no 12 volt, 9 volt, AA's, AAA's, nothing like that. It draws power simply from the truck's primary battery and primary electrical system, and that's how it works. Now, I have not been able to get to the bottom of just how long this speaker can work by itself without the truck running, and how long it will work before draining the truck's battery. But what I did discover is I had it on for 6 hours continuously one time, and the truck started up fine after that. So it's at least 6 hours, probably more. But what I was able to test out is that it did work for 6 hours continuously with no issues after that, starting up the truck.
Motronics.